Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to deposit your money on the Bamboo app and how to withdraw your money from the Bamboo app to your bank account. Now, in case you don't know, the Bamboo app is an investment app that allows you to invest in US stocks from Nigeria, and also it helps you to invest your money in dollar assets and receive interest on your money. Also, I already have a full tutorial on how you can start investing and making money by investing in US stocks on the Bamboo app. The link to the tutorial will be in the description below so you can check it out. Now, before I go on, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make, multiply, and manage your money the right way. So if you love content on these topics, ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now to the step-by-step guide on how you can deposit and withdraw your money on the Bamboo app. The first thing you have to do is to go to the account dashboard on the app. So if you come to the bottom side of the app where you have account, where the arrow is pointing to, you tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you take it to your wallet balance. As you can see on this account right here, I have $0 as my wallet balance right here. Now, how do you deposit money? The first thing is to tap on deposit right here. And once you tap on deposit, there are two ways you can enter the amount you want to deposit. You can enter it in USD or in NGN, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, you want to deposit $10. You can enter $10 right here. If you want to see the equivalent in Naira, it will show you in the bracket, as you can see. Or if you want to just enter the amount in Naira, just switch to NGN and enter the amount you want to deposit in Naira. So if it's 10,000 Naira, just enter 10,000 Naira. And also, one thing you need to take note of is that the minimum amount you can deposit is $1. So you guys can see it right here, minimum deposit amount $1. Also, if you're entering the amount in USD, let's say you're entering $20, it's going to remove the equivalent amount from your Naira account. So it's not like it's compulsory you must have a dollar account before you can deposit dollars or something. No, it's going to take out the equivalent amount in Naira and deposit into your Bamboo account. So for this video, let's say I want to deposit $50 right here. So I'll come here and enter $50. So in Naira, $50 is 36,500 Naira as at the time of making this video. Now also, if you want to see the dollar rate on the app, you come to the bottom side of the screen. You see where you have current rate, $1 equals to 730 Naira. Please take note that this is at the time of making this video. Then once you've entered the amount, you come here and tap on deposit. Now, once you tap on deposit, you'll be seeing the three different ways you can deposit your money into the app. Now, the first one is through direct bank transfer, where you'll be given an account number and account name that you have to transfer money to. And you have to take note that the fee you'll be charged for that is 100 Naira. Now, the second method is through your NGN debit or credit card. So you can use your Visa card, your MasterCard, or your VEF card, your Nigerian card for this, and you'll be charged 511 Naira. Or if you have a dollar card, you can deposit through your dollar card and you'll be charged $1.45. So these are the three different ways you can deposit money on the app. Now for this video, I'll be using the direct bank transfer method because that takes less fees. That's just 100 Naira for the fee. So for that, you just tap on direct bank transfer and you'll be seeing on the screen where you have to transfer the money to. So as you can see right here, it says fund your Bamboo wallet by making a direct transfer from any bank to this. So you see the account number, the account name, and the bank name. So right now I'm going to make the transfer of 36,500 Naira to this bank account.
A few moments later.
So right now I've made a transfer of 36,500 Naira to this bank details on the screen. Now, once you come to your wallet balance, you have to wait for at least 1 minute for the money to reflect in your wallet balance. So this reflected here just 1 minute after I made the transaction. So this is the simple way for you to deposit money into your Bamboo wallet. Now, if you want to go on and invest, you can go on and invest. And also, if you don't know how to invest in stocks on the app, don't forget I said I have a full tutorial on how to invest and make money by investing in stocks on Bamboo app. So let's say, for example, you've invested your money, you've made profit, and you want to withdraw your money back to your bank account. Then this is what you have to do. The first thing is to go to where you have withdraw right here and tap on withdraw. Now, there are two ways you can withdraw your money. You can withdraw directly to your Nigerian bank account or to your dollar bank account. Now, if you are withdrawing to your Nigerian bank account, the fee is just 45 Naira. While if you are withdrawing to your dollar bank account, the fee is $45. And that's way too much. So we advise you only withdraw to your Nigerian bank account. So once you come here and tap on Naira bank account, The next thing is to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. So you can see that in my wallet right here, I have 35,432 naira. So let's say, for example, I just want to withdraw 35,000 naira. So I'll just enter 35,000 naira right here. Now, the next thing you see right here is that it will take 2 to 3 business days for the money to reflect in your Naira bank account. Now, you don't have to be scared. It is less than 2 or 3 days. It is less than that. But they are just putting this here so that in case maybe you don't see your money after one day, you don't start panicking. So it can happen that same day you make the transaction. So you don't have to be scared about that. Now, the next thing is to select your bank name. So the bank you are using, you come here and search for it and select the bank name. And right here where you have account number, you enter your account number and then you tap on withdraw. Now, once you tap on withdraw, the money will be transferred directly to your Naira bank account in less than 2 or 3 business days. So this is the simple step-by-step guide on how to deposit your money into the Bamboo app and how to withdraw your money from the Bamboo app. I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If so, don't forget to also watch my video on the full tutorial on how to invest and make money by investing in stocks on the Bamboo app. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Bye.